This is a brief review of this insert name Wi-Fi camera, which I have to look it up what it is. Bought it on Amazon. It was $21. The second one, which I purchased for the front, was $29, which isn't bad. It's Wi-Fi. There's no screen on it. There's no battery, which is actually a good thing because the battery sitting in the heat eventually will degrade. You can see on the timer, it'll record. I set the settings to stop recording after each clip after 1 minute, and turned off the audio. I don't need people hearing my audio. What's the point? There's only one major flaw with the camera, and that is I guess they're not expecting you to use it for a rear camera and front camera, so I got two of them. The problem is that it's reversed. The rear camera, the left is on the right and the right is on the left, because literally the camera's facing the other direction. So when you can't use it per se as a backup camera, because you'll be like parking all crooked. You think you're going to the left, but you're going to the right and whatever. Or for this matter, I'm actually driving, looking at it. Here comes a car. Here comes a car. It's on the right side. No, it's on my left side. So yeah, but I do like the 180 degree. And this is in the window with tint actually, and it's still visible. No night vision, none of that shit. But for 21 bucks, hell, I would put them on all four windows, which would be cool. Anybody hits me or whatever, I'll have a accurate representation of what happened for the insurance company. Alright, so yeah, that's it. I might leave a link in the description. I don't know if it's necessarily worth it. So for me, in the back I have a cigarette lighter, and then I run the wire all the way up the headliner, and it plugs in. And then in the front there's a cigarette lighter. So as soon as you start the car, these Chinese voices go, "Wi-Fi connected! Oh, you recording!" And it's like, it's hilarious. Yeah, I can aim. I don't think I can aim it any higher with the window. This is the best I can do. But this is cool because you can see how close people actually get to you. Like, oh my gosh, she's gonna hit me! No, that. Okay, so if I look in my rear view mirror, he looks like he's really far, or he's really close. But in the camera, it looks like he's far away. The reality is, I don't know, because it's a distorted picture. Like, by the way, I got a sign on my car. It says, "Smile, you're on camera." Assholes.